Crash course on Greece. Welcome to a crash course on Greece, a country known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Let's begin with an overview of the highlights, followed by some interesting stories and examples to excite you. Then, we'll explore the top 12 attractions in Greece in detail. Finally, we'll summarize the information and conclude with a poem. Greece is a land of ancient wonders, where mythology and history intertwine. It is the birthplace of democracy and the cradle of Western civilization. With its beautiful islands, picturesque villages, and archaeological sites, Greece offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. Now, let's dive into some interesting stories and examples to ignite your excitement. Did you know that the Olympic Games originated in ancient Greece? The first Olympic Games were held in Olympia in 776 BC and were dedicated to the Greek gods. Another fascinating fact is that Greece is home to the world-famous philosopher Socrates, whose teachings shaped the course of Western philosophy. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions in Greece. 1. Athens, the capital city, is a blend of ancient history and modern energy. Visit the Acropolis, the Parthenon, and the National Archaeological Museum. 2. Santorini. This picturesque island is famous for its whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and breathtaking sunsets over the Aegean Sea. 3. Delphi. Explore the archaeological site of Delphi, considered the center of the world in ancient times, and admire the Temple of Apollo. 4. Mykonos. Known for its vibrant nightlife and beautiful beaches, Mykonos is a popular destination for sun-seekers and party enthusiasts. 5. Meteora. Marvel at the monasteries perched atop towering rock formations in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. 6. Rhodes. Immerse yourself in medieval history as you wander through the medieval town of Rhodes and explore the impressive palace of the Grand Master. 7. Crete. Greece's largest island offers a mix of stunning beaches, ancient ruins, and charming villages like Harnia and Heraklion. 8. Olympia. Visit the ancient site of Olympia, where the Olympic Games were born, and explore the ruins of the Temple of Zeus and the original Olympic Stadium. 9. Corfu. Discover the enchanting island of Corfu, with its Venetian architecture, beautiful beaches, and lush landscapes. 10. Thessaloniki. Experience Greece's second-largest city, known for its vibrant street culture, ancient ruins, and Byzantine heritage. 11. Nafplio. Explore this charming coastal town with its well-preserved fortresses, neoclassical architecture, and scenic views of the Argolic Gulf. 12. Zakynthos. Enjoy the crystal-clear waters and stunning beaches of Zakynthos, including the famous Navaggio beach with its shipwreck. These attractions offer a glimpse into Greece's rich history, natural beauty, and cultural heritage. Now, let's summarize the information and conclude with a poem. Greece, a land of gods and ancient might, where history and myth dance through the night. From Athens' Acropolis to Santorini's grace, the wonders of Greece, a traveler's embrace. Delphi's oracle, a glimpse into the past. Mykonos beaches, where summer memories last. Meteora's monasteries atop cliffs high. Rhodes' medieval town, under a clear blue sky. Crete's treasures, from beaches to ancient lore. Olympia's stadium, where champions once soared. Corfu's Venetian charm and beauty so rare. Thessaloniki's energy, filling the air. Nafplio's fortresses, a coastal delight. Zakynthos shipwreck, a mesmerizing sight. In Greece, traditions and stories unfold. A journey of wonder, a tale to be told. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.